Purnima to all my teachers.
Good morning everyone. Myself Anika Sheikh from class 8 and today I am here to discuss about Guru Purnima, a prominent festival in both India and Nepal. As we all know, teachers and principal are one of the form of Guru, and let me start my speech by conveying my respect to them. Guru Purnima is a spiritual day and there is a difference between a Guru and teacher. A Guru is someone who teaches the life lessons and lead us to the path of glory. A teacher is someone who teaches us reading and writing knowledge. In the same way, there are three students for every teacher and Guru. The three are the student, the disciple, and the devotee. Thank you and happy Guru Purnima.
Good morning. My name is Krish Jain. I am from standard 10th. On the auspicious day of Guru Purnima, I would like to narrate you a story about Guru and Shishya, describing the relationship between Guru and Shishya. So let's get started. Very famous Guru used to take meditation classes. He had students coming from different corners of the country. In one such camp, one student caught stealing. He was produced before the Guru with the requisition that the thief must be expelled immediately. The Guru simply ignored the case. Few days later, the same student was caught stealing again. The Guru simply disregarded the whole matter again. Now all other students found this rather disturbing. They drove a petition asking the Guru to expel this thief immediately. If not, they would have to leave these classes in an entire group. The Guru read the petition and called all the students together. Guru said, "You are all very wise, dear students. You know what is right and what is not right. You may go somewhere else to study if you feel so. But this friend of yours, this student doesn't even know the right from the wrong. So who will teach him if I do not? Hence I am going to keep him here even if all the rest of you leave entire in a group." A torrent of tears started flowing from the eyes of the student who stole as he listens to the word of his Guru. All the desires to steal has vanished automatically. Friends, this story has multiple takeaways. From one, it tells us don't write off people so easily. How quickly we sometimes turn our back on people who commit crime, isn't it? But if we look deeper, we might just see another human being that simply needs to be shown the right path, and this is where the real Guru steps in. Moral of the story: only a Guru knows what a student is lacking of and can give solution. Happy Guru Purnima, respected teachers and my dear friends. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Afsha. I'm from standard 10th. Guru Purnima is a grand day that is significant to revive the connection between students and teachers in both academic and spiritual ways. It is a societal and religious celebration. A guru or a teacher plays a significant role in molding the student's life and guide them through all the phases of life. A guru guides a student to help him reach his goals and advance in his spiritual and materialistic life. On this day, disciples and students recognize the importance of Guru in our life. This festival is deeply rooted in our ancient education system of Guru Shishya tradition that is considered to be sacred. So let us all celebrate Guru Purnima by paying deep gratitude and devotion towards all our Gurus for their guidance. On this auspicious day, we should all introspect our life and pay our gratitude towards my Gurus. To all those people who have played the role of Guru in our life, I will end my speech by conveying my gratitude and respect to all Gurus present here and wishing their grace remains on each of us and illuminate our life. Best wishes to Guru Purnima. Thank you.
Nearly 5,000 years ago, in a kingdom called Hastinapura, lived Eklavya, the son of tribal chief. Eklavya hoped to become a disciple of a great Dronacharya and reached Drona's Gurukul. Dronacharya, I am Eklavya, son of a tribal chief, said Eklavya. Please accept me as a disciple and teach me the wonderful art of archery. Drona refused to teach him. Arjuna, Drona's disciple, snapped at him. Dronacharya is a royal teacher appointed to teach us. The princes of kingdom leave. Eklavya was stunned at Arjuna's behavior and Drona's silence. He left with a broken heart but determined to learn archery. Eklavya took some mud from a river and made a statue of Drona. He then placed it in a clearing in the forest. Every morning he would take his bow and arrow, worship the statue of Drona, and practice. He soon became an extraordinary archer, superior even to Arjun, Drona's best pupil. One day, while Eklavya was practicing, the continuous barking distracted him. He fired arrow in the dog's mouth, but without injuring it. The dog fled. In the very same area of forest, Drona was training the Pandava prince. When he noticed the dog, he exclaimed, "Such excellent aim can only come from a mighty archer." They began searching for the forest and archer and found him. Drona praised Eklavya and asked, "From whom did you learn archery?" "You are my guru," Eklavya replied, bowing his head. "How can I be a guru?" Drona exclaimed in surprise. "I made a statue of you and worshipped it every day. I practiced before your image. Thanks to it, I have become a good archer." The boy replied, "But you promised me that you made me the best archer in the world." Arjuna accused Drona. "Where is your Guru Dakshina?" the sage demanded. "I will offer anything," Eklavya said. "I ask for the thumb on your right hand as Guru Dakshina," Dronacharya declared. Everyone was shocked. Without his thumb, Eklavya never shot arrow again. Without the slightest hesitation, Eklavya cut out his thumb and offered it to Drona. The God blessed from above. Eklavya continued to practice archery until he could shoot arrows again, and he became a great archer when he was before.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and dear friends. I am Muskan Khan from Standard 10. It is my honor to present before a speech on Guru Purnima. Teachers are believed to be one of the reflection of Gurus. As we all know, India is considered to be land of Gurus, ritualists, masters and teachers. Guru Purnima is a major traditional festival that is celebrated throughout India with a great zeal by Hindus and Buddhists. This day is celebrated on full moon of Ashad month. It is the day to remind the importance of Guru and pay our respect to them. We find different Gurus in a different time of our life. A real Gurus can be anyone who guides you and make effort to push to you road of success. According to ancient belief, parents are the first Guru in our life. They teach us patience and love from childhood. They pave a path to reach our goals. The second Guru who come into our life is the form of our school teachers. They define our cultures and social benefit. Teacher shapes our morals. We step into the future.
गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े, काको लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरुदेव की गोविंदियो बताए।
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः. Happy Guru Purnima to all my gurus. Thank you.
My name is Amber. I am in 5th standard. Guru Purnima is an occasion celebrated as per Hindu calendar of the Ashada month. On the full moon day, as per Georgian calendar, it falls in the month of July and August every year. The term Guru derives meaning from the combination of two Sanskrit words, Gu meaning darkness and Ru means a person who slights darkness. This year Guru Purnima comes on the full moon day and July 5.
Hi miss, my name is Varik Chauhan.
आशाओं की बात छाए कोई उमंग है ये जिंदगी रे धरती का आंचल ओढ़े दिल से दिल के धागे जोड़े बांटे जहां में अपनी खुशी रे रीत की रीत सिखाते हुए मिलाते हैं पर्दों पे हम दिलों में प्यार की ज्योति जगाते हुए आ जाओ मिलके हम तुम ये कहे
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवा महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Hello everyone, my name is Ayan Kazi. Today I am going to speak about Guru Purnima. Guru has a really important place in our life. This festival is dedicated to our gurus. Guru Purnima is celebrated by Hindus, Jains, Buddhists. It is celebrated to show our respect towards our gurus. This festival is celebrated in the month of Asards. On this day, Lord Shiva taught yoga to Saptarishis. It is also celebrated as birthday of Maharishi Vedyas. Guru shows us the right path in the journey of life. We should all pay respect to our gurus. Guru Purnima showcases the high status of gurus in the Indian culture. Value of knowledge that gurus gives us can never be repaid. Thank you.
This song is for those who inspired us today, who always lend a helping hand to help show us the way. This song is for those who see their students through the tough times in their lives. For that we say thank you. You have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you. This song is for those who taught us right from wrong, who taught us much more than their crafts to help our minds grow strong. This song is for those who guide us through and through, so that we can make a life. For that we say thank you. You have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as
Good morning everyone. Today I am here to discuss about Guru Purnima, a prominent festival in India and Nepal. As we all know, principals and teachers are one of the forms of Guru. Let me start my speech by conveying my respect to them. Guru Purnima is an occasion celebrated as per the Hindu calendar of Ashad month on the full moon day as per the Gregorian calendar. It falls every year in the month of July and August. The word Guru means the person who eliminates darkness. This year Guru Purnima comes on the full moon day of July 24. Thank you. Happy Guru Purnima to my all teachers and friends.
आज मैं गुरु पूर्णिमा पे एक कविता पढ़ूंगी। गुरु के बिना ज्ञान नहीं, ज्ञान के बिना कोई महान नहीं। भटक जाता है जब इंसान, तब गुरु ही देता है ज्ञान। ईश्वर के बाद अगर कोई आता है तो वे गुरु है। दुनिया से वाकिफ जो कराता है वे गुरु है। हमें अच्छा इंसान जो बनाता है वे गुरु है। गुरु के बिना ज़िंदगी आसान नहीं। हमारी कमियों को जो बता दे वे गुरु है। हमें इंसानियत जो सिखाता है वे गुरु है। हमें जो हीरे की तरह तराश दे वे गुरु है। हमारे अंदर एक विश्वास जो जगा दे वे गुरु है। थैंक यू।
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु
गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा
गुरु महेश्वरा
गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्मा
गुरु साक्षात गुरु ब्रह्मा
तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः।
तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः।
गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े, काको ना गुरु पाए। बलिहारी गुरुदेव की गोविंद दियो बताए। ओम गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः। Happy Guru Purnima to all my gurus. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal, all my teachers and sirs. My name is Ayan Khan. I study in the 3rd standard. Today I am going to say a few words on the festival of Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is one of the most important festivals celebrated in India. It is a festival for Hindus, Jains and Buddhists, and also celebrated grandly in Nepal and Bhutan. Guru Purnima is basically a way by which we students show our love, respect and gratitude towards our teachers and gurus. According to the Hindu calendar, the festival is celebrated on the first full moon day of Ashad in the month of July. The word Guru means a teacher who removes the darkness and ignorance from someone. Guru Purnima is celebrated to mark the birth of Guru Ved Vyas. Rishi Guru Vyas is the author who wrote the Mahabharata. Many schools and colleges organize events for their teachers and gurus to celebrate this festival. And so today, on this occasion of Guru Purnima, I would like to thank all my teachers and sirs for the knowledge and wisdom imparted to me. Thank you all very much.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। जलाते हैं, फिर प्रेम और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं, सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा